Alright, so in the last video we set up the routes, so that's taken care of. The main.go, that one's taken care of. There. Okay, let's see. Alright, cool. Sometimes you just need to cut it out and then Control S, save the file, and then it'll re-bring it in and it won't be an issue. So that's taken care of. So models. So we're doing a book, so we'll call it book.go, right? So then the package will be models. Alright, so type, so we're going to call this book, and it's going to be a struct. So type book is a struct. It's going to have an ID field. So anything that's capitalized will be able to be, it's kind of like, it's not like a private where it's only visible within this file. It's actually visible and can be technically, like you'd call it, exported. So I'll just do ID outside of this file. So it'll be recognized just outside the file. That's all you need to know. Alrighty, so this is going to take, let's see, JSON. So when we pass it through a form, it's going to be in a JSON object. So that JSON object will have a key of ID. And then GORM, we're going to let GORM know that this is going to be a primary key within the database. Alright, so again, there's going to be the name of the book. That's going to be type string, backward ticks, JSON, parentheses, and it's just going to be name. And then we're going to have author, again capitalized, because we want it to be able to be recognized outside of this file. JSON, author, okay, and then the publication, type string, JSON, publication. Alright, Control S this, it formats it, perfect. Alright, so now we've defined the book struct. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is CRUD, I'll just say methods. Okay, so this func could be, which is a pointer to the book object. So this will actually be a method, right? And then create book. So it's being performed. Alright, so here we're going to, Alright, so create book. So now all we have to do is that book that we're referencing. So this is a pointer, right? So it's pointing to a specific address in memory. So and then what we need is actually we need var db, which is a pointer to gorm.db. Alright. And then so we go db equal to, where's that going to be? config.get db. Alright, and then db.create, and then we're going to reference that. Okay. So right now it's saying I don't know what this is, so yeah, we're going to have to work on that, creating that connection to the DB. All right, so func, we're gonna get all books. Let's see, and then it's gonna return a slice. So basically, a slice is basic. Like if you're from JavaScript, it's an array. So we're gonna return an array of books. All right. So then, let's see. Okay, so now we're going to get all the books. So let's see. I'll say books. Initialize that to db dot find. Oh, actually, wait. I have to say. Is a type book. Actually, books is a type books. Let me just wait. Whoops, not percent. Alrighty. So we're declaring this books variable to be of type book, and then we're saying the database. We're going to do the find, and we're just gonna all the data that's in the database is going to be inserted into this books object, and then we're just going to return books. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah. Oh. Huh. That's weird. Okay. So we're going to say books is an array of books. And then we're going to insert the data into that array, and then we're going to return it. Okay. Alrighty. So we're going to get books, and then the other two is get book by ID, and then we will need to delete a book. Save that. Alright, so in the next video we will work on that.